Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to recapitulate the artificial hybridization process in the pollination. Children, this is the subtopic of the pre-fertilization structure and events. So, children, in the artificial hybridization process is done in the laboratories. In this process, there are divided into two parts. First part is the emasculation and the second part is the bagging. Children, emasculation means the removal of the anthers from the bisexual flower bud of the female parent before the anther dehisces. So children, this process artificial hybridization is done in the only the complete flower. Complete flower means bisexual flower in which androecium and gynoecium both are present. After the emasculation process or removal of the anther, the bagging process is done. Bagging means here emasculated flowers are covered with a suitable polythene bag or the paper bag to prevent the contamination of its stigma with the unwanted pollen grains. So when the stigma attains the receptivity, the mature pollen grains collected from the anthers of the male parent which are desired, and these are dusted on the stigma. Then the flowers are rebagged again and allowed to develop the fruit. So this process is done in the laboratories, which is called the artificial hybridization, in which first is the emasculation and second is the bagging process. Children, for the unisexual flowers, there is no need for the emasculation because only the female flowers buds are bagged before the pollens open, because there is no androecium is present, only gynoecium is there in the female flower. And when the stigma becomes receptive, the pollination is carried out using the desired pollens and the flowers are again rebagged. Children, in this process we have done tagging also. We should write down the name of the flower, we should write down the name of the collectors and the times of the collecting and dusting the pollen grains. So we can add the tagging process also in this artificial hybridization. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Any doubt you can ask. Children, best of luck for your exams. Tomorrow will start your exam of PT1, so you should prepare for this well. Best of luck. Thank you children.